These stairs over here, I mean, it's, oh, hey, ta-da! We are building the Highland home in Legacy by Hillwood. League City, Texas. This place is amazing. And I am so excited for you guys that you're able to build this home with me, starting from nothing but dirt and just watching the whole thing go up from the frame. And now we're gonna be closing this month. So I'm super excited for you guys. You're also going to want to check out this video on this house in the framing stage, and it's a whole lot different now. Now that we're coming along, we got the sheetrock, we've got the countertops. I see the tile floor coming in here right now, but it's looking really, really good. So I'm super excited for you guys. Woo! I am so excited for you guys. I love the double garage. Got your brake on. Got all your windows in, and as you guys know, I like to start off in the garage, and of course a little bit muddy. That's all right. So we'll just start off in your garage. Yep, it's a construction zone. Hey, that's good. If they're working, I'm happy. I know you guys are too. I'm so excited. You guys are closing next month. And there's your 2 water heaters. I love your windows in your front garage. You're gonna have a nice driveway right here. And we might have a little dark spots in here, but that's all right. We'll just start right here. Ooh, nice. You got a sink in your laundry room. Nice. There's your data box. And they've already got your low voltage started. Yeah, you guys can totally automate this place. Yeah, there's your mud room, so the kiddos can hang their coats, put their shoes. So let's just go right in here. And it's got its own bathroom. Yeah, so they're laying your tile. They don't want you touching that or walking on there. They put those little spacers in there, let the tile set, and then they'll put the grout in. There's your tile. Nice. So as soon as you walk in from garage number 1, you've got bedroom with its own bathroom. And here's your downstairs media room. Super cool. I cannot wait for you guys to move in. And there's your under the stairs storage. Nice use of space. It goes way back there. That would be fun. Don't want to forget the front office. Very nice. Nice windows to look out. And by the way, those fold down on purpose. It's not broken. I don't know why they just didn't erase it, but oh well. And there is your staircase. Oh my gosh. Started staining it. They'll stain it and restain it and restain it. Yeah, they got those covered up. That's a good thing. Wood all the way up. It's gonna look so pretty. Okay, so since we're here, coat closet. Here's your hot rod storage. Dude, I know you're gonna get a toy in here for sure. This is man cave. Sweet. Oh yeah, I can't get over those. That's so pretty. Ta-da! Oh yeah. You're not gonna have any problem with kitchen storage. No problem at all. The white looks so pretty with the white countertops. Big sink, love it. Dishwasher will go there. Oven or a stove. Oh, that's the biggest meter I've seen. So they're probably measuring their gas pressure line. I guess they still get it pressurized. I don't know. Nice. There's your vent. Oh my gosh. This is massive. You could put little labels on here for everything. Right. Super cool. All right, let's go in your bedroom. Guest bathroom. Oh yeah. Go back to that framing video that we did. It looks so cool if you want to watch them side by side, two separate windows on YouTube. I don't know, I know you can do it. And just pause it and then look at this as it's got the walls on. Yeah, it's always amazing how much changes in a week. Yeah, so I don't want to walk in there. They just set those tiles. There's your drop-in tub. Like that little niche right there. And yeah, I'm not going to walk back there. I don't want to mess up the tiles. Big walk-in shower. Yep, there's your tile. I forget what kind of floors you guys have. I'm sure they're nice. Oh yeah, one more look. Ooh, I like that arch like that. Good job, Highland. They design really, really pretty homes. Ooh, I can smell that stain on there. Don't want to touch that. Wow, guys. I am loving it. That's my room. How cool is this room? Look how big it is. Oh yeah, this is totally my room. There's my bathroom. Yeah, there. Just laying the towel. Got the first one in just today. Yeah, when I was walking the frame, I was like, man, that is a big closet. Why not, huh? There's another bathroom. Yeah, you kids are gonna love this place. This is a big bedroom too. Got your own big bedroom, got your own big bathroom, got your own closet. You guys can just run the place up here. Did we talk about that when they were framing? I forget. I don't know. You can always go back to the framing video. And I was like, what are they doing here? And then, oh yeah, now I know. And I like this room too. It's away from everybody. Nice. This one's got a window. Ooh, big closet. And of course your parents are gonna have a lock on that for sure. Let's see if we can peek in here. Either that or that's where they put you in your bed. But you guys are not bad. Ooh, I love this. Check this out. All that light right there, that means there's good ventilation up in the attic. Lots of ventilation. And trust me, you need that. Yeah, looking good, guys. I want to just show you the back real quick. This is why I walk these homes in different stages. The framing stage is probably the most important time because once they cover it up with sheetrock, then you can't see what's behind the walls. I like to show my buyers different stages of the build process so they know how their home is going together. And for those of you that are thinking about building a home or even an inventory home, watch some of my videos. They're highly educational, and it kind of tells you how these builders build their homes. And you're going to see some of my builders that I like a little bit more than the others, and some that I just might not say anything about. But at the same time, you're going to have to give me a call, James Potenza, your Houston area new construction realtor, if you want to be represented from the model home all the way through the building process, all the way to the closing table. I'm going to be here on your side, looking after your best interests anywhere in Houston, whether you're relocating or just moving across town. Thanks for watching, and guys, I hope you enjoy these videos. You guys are going to have them forever, and I really appreciate you guys calling me. And then we'll see you in the next video.